Okay.
Alright, everybody. Are you ready to kill?
Yeah!
Guys!
Where should we charge first?
Yeah, I don't know. Just go for a different thing.
I'm gonna carry.
Hang in there,
Oh God!
Die! Alright, son.
No!
Take that!
Oh
Brother! No! I will take you, my sweet baby!
no, you won't.
Eat that!
Die!
Hey! Where's the deal? I need to get out of here. I'm taking the gun with me. I'm taking the gun with me.
Foxy! I'm gonna kill this man! Foxy is eliminated.
Hey! Hey, you! Hey, you! You're ready to die? They can see my face then. Alright. So are you ready to die, fella?
You're about to die.
Eat that!
Tails!
Good to revive me.
Tails reviving. Chaos control! Wait, hold up.
Michael, asking. Oh shit. No more Michael Wazowski. Michael Wazowski will die.
Wait, hold up.
Michael Wazowski.
Among Us person will kill you now.
No, Michael Wazowski has been eliminated.
Oh my God! I gotta use the giant gun.
I better go. Grace. Oh, hey there, Bendy boy. You ain't gonna die. Not today.
Marlon, how do I load this?
Racist has been eliminated.
What the? According to my thoughts, Tails, I am Metal Tails. Tails, you have been buried through the gun. I am going to use myself as a decoy. I may die.
Mamma mia, these stupid idiots will die. You know, we
Oh,
could have
God.
just shot him right over the spawn, but we could use a sniper. We better find a ball.
Do we have any guns? Do we have any guns? Sonic, nothing.
We have guns, dumbass. Come on.
Shotgun.
Eat this.
Ah!
Taste it.
Engaging attack mode.
Looks like Freddy died. Oh. Okay. Don't worry, Sissy Baka. I got you. Oh, Daddy, thanks a lot.
Reload.
Wait, Freddy, it's too late. I've already got you, Jan.
Boy,
No,
go without me.
I can't. Wait, no, I can't.
Jeez. gotta steal a gun. Time to kill you, you little mangle. I mean, fun time.
Hey, you're gonna want to work for a gun.
Guys, I'm sacrificing. I'm moving teams. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Wait, hold up. Where's the Fendi? I'm just eating Fendi. Really? Twisted Foxy. I'm now on your team. Use the sniper. Good job.
Kill every one of them in the team you want. All of this teams are bad. Team 5 has been eliminated.
Gotta shoot you.
Wait, aren't you already dead?
Oh yeah.
The enemy team already killed you.
Hey guys, look! Free guns!
Eat this! More rocket grenades! More rocket grenades!
What the? Stop! Oh my god, my brother just killed you.
Team 3 has been eliminated.
Wait, no, there's only one person.
Oh yeah. I gotta work for a gun. Ah! Jesus! Wait, we can talk about this. I swear.
Sammy Lawrence, you have been copying me for years. Now it's my turn. Sheep, go to sleep.
You won't be able. Not in this way. Not equal.
Oh wait. Let's do this the sheriff way. Here, take this. Let's do this the sheriff way. Wow.
They can already see my face.
No, they're not seeing your face.
Oh.
Drop!
I wasn't even ready. Team 4 has been eliminated.
Papyrus, you're going down!
We're Team 3, I think.
Nobody cares about you, your brother Sans. We're Team 3.
So I'm guessing that means we're Team 2.
Yeah.
Team 1 is not.
Good luck getting another spring lock.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I don't have none of it. Is this the hard way or the easy way, Bendy?
Let's do it the easy way.
We both shot each other.
Team 3 and Team 3 has been eliminated.
What? How did that even work? I thought you were Team 2. I need to do this for Team 0.
Wait, no, that was because I just did a shot. There's a gun right close to him. I'm a pro at guns.
Already. I killed this wall whenever I used it. This is my base now. Ow, Team 0.
I'm gonna kill you, Mangle. As I am the great shadow. Wait. There's a fun time Foxy and a Mangle. I don't know which one to shoot.
Right here, dumbass. Right here.
Tails! Tails, help me! Revive.
You don't have a gun, and you never will.
there's only a fun time. Yeah, just fun time.
Oh, please. Like you
Bare hand.
Wait, the last kill should be song.
Wait, yeah.
Good guy. We won! We won!
Squeaking and
They see
cheer.
my face, don't they?
There was a glimpse of it.
Oh, yeah! That's the end of the video. Bye!